This vehicle won't be on the lot long. Very clean and very well priced. With fewer than 50,000 miles on the odometer, this truck stands out from the crowd, boasting a diverse range of features and remarkable value. Top features include air conditioning, a tachometer, heated door mirrors, and remote keyless entry. Smooth gearshifts are achieved thanks to the powerful 8-cylinder engine, and for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. 4-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. They'll work with you to find the right vehicle at a price you can afford. Come on in and take a test drive.